Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and I am back. I've been gone for a while. I got sick and nothing serious, just a flu or cold or something, but I couldn't talk. My voice was all froggy and crazy, so I couldn't shoot any videos. So kind of been waiting to come back and work on the 1Corinthians journal. So I am going to pick up with the 4 flat box folds. You're going to need page 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these pieces out and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I've got the pieces cut out. So I'm going to take the scoreboard, and on this one, we're going to score these lines. And we're going to connect. Go ahead and fold that. I'm fold it backwards and forwards just to make it limber. And of course, the feature scripture is 1 Corinthians 15, 51 through 52. Behold, I am telling you a mystery. We will not all sleep, but we will all be changed. In a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trumpet, for the trumpet will sound, and the dead will be raised imperishable, and we will be changed. Very awesome scripture that I love to read. So now we're going to take the flaps. So you've got, whoops, you want the short flaps. So find the short flaps, and there should be 4 of them. And so you can pick which ones you want to put. They're interchangeable. I think I might, let's see, use these 2. Well, actually that would, you're going to put a pocket here, and you don't want to, I don't want to lose this part of the artwork, and this is okay to lose. It's just pretty similar. So let me exchange this one for this one, because that's all pretty similar too. So when I put my pocket here, it's not going to make that much difference. So I'm going to attach them with washi tape. So let me find a washi tape that I like. You can also use strips of paper, or you can even use cloth, whatever you want to use to attach these. And since I have black as accents on this throughout, I'm going to use this one. And I always want to use glue because washi tape is not archival, which means it doesn't last a really long time. It will stop being sticky and things kind of fall apart. So I always reinforce with glue, and I'm using my PVA, pH neutral PVA glue, and I just want to put just a little tiny bit, if I can, on both sides of the line. And then line this up, and if you'll notice, it's a little bit short on both sides. You want to center that so that that's intentional, so that when you fold your flaps, they won't run into each other. So get those lined up as best you can, and put your tape down. And do this side. Like that. And I just quickly go down as soon as I get the tape over it so that nothing moves. Fold these up, and that way, because this is going to make a box fold, this is what will show when it's folded. So that it gives you a little bit better light, because this is upside down if you flip it over. So like that. So see, when this is folded, this will be readable. The crosses are readable. Where, let me show you what I mean. Like if I had just flipped this over, you're actually gluing this upside down in order for it to come out right. And sometimes that's not always what you think about. You end up with things upside down. So don't do it this way. Leave it like this. Place your paper the way you want it, and that way you know what you're going to get when it folds. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these on, and I try to get the edges so they don't